much I appreciate you. Yes, wanna show you how much I'm dedicated to you. Yes, come on, bro. Let's get this thing.
Let's do this.
Do this thing.
We're doing another take.
Take
3.
The message whole ringtone. Take
3.
You ready?
Yep.
Go. Message. Message hoe. Whole message. So you mean to tell me, girl, you gonna sit there and let your phone just ring with the sound of my voice, girl, so you're not gonna get up and get your goddamn phone, girl. Like I said, girl, you got a message. Message hoe. Ho, you got a message. Girl, get up. Let them kids cry and lie. Oh no, like message. Message hoe. Whole message. Girl, get your ass up and get this goddamn phone, girl. I know you hear me over here calling your phone, girl. Message. Message. Girl, you got a text message. Girl, get up, girl, and get the phone, girl. Message. Message, ho. Whole message. Whole motherfucking message. Message, ho. Shit.
Wait. Let me get there first.
Boy, take that dick out of me and calm down. Boy, you put that dick in me and calm down. Boy, put that dick in my mouth and calm down.
I think you got 4.
4? You send me whatever
I
you
thought
know.
it was 3. And you're not.
It be. What's up? Yeah, I ain't want nothing. I was just a little bullshit Instagram video. I just was letting y'all know, bitch, I'm trying to work. Work. You see me if you work. What's up, brother? Brother, girl, you got them $20. Me brother say $20. Girl, you got them
$20.
Girl, you got them $20, girl. Let me get them $20.
What she owe you?
$20.
Good little $20.
Good $20.
Good little $20.
Number $20.
Good $20. That's all I need, a good little $20.
Whole message. Girl, get your ass up and get this goddamn phone, girl. I know you hear me over here calling your phone, girl. Message. Message. Girl, you got a text message. Girl, get up, girl, and get the phone, girl. Message. Message, ho. Whole message.
Are you my daddy?
Whole motherfucking message. Cause you know I said it on the cooking show. Message, ho.
Are you my daddy?
Oh, bitch, let's this.
Are you my daddy?
Is that my daddy? So, girl, are you guys liking the message? That was cute. Message, ho. Whole message. Girl, get your ass up and get this goddamn phone, girl. I know you hear me over here calling your phone, girl. Message. Message. Girl, you got a text message. Girl, get up, girl, and get the phone, girl. Message. Message, ho. Whole message. Whole motherfucking message. Message, ho. Yeah, that was cute. Say ho.
He was like, shit.
Because you know how bitch, because you know how you keep your message thing keep going on. You like, girl, message. And you like, well, girl, message, girl. Like, you done got over it, girl.
Right,
Yeah,
right.
Okay, that was good. Oh, I love you too, baby. I'm trying, girl. You need to go ahead and get, you got an iPhone, girl?
Yes, I got
I need you to go ahead and purchase my ringtone, girl, and go ahead and get you a Fuck Me Sis shirt too, girl, as well.
Okay, send me the link and I'm going to straight.
DM me right now, so I'm going to send it to you right now.
Alright.
All right, baby. Thank you. See you later.
Okay.
Yes, you got to come here and interact with y'all fans, girl. Y'all got to come. What's up, y'all? I was doing a ringtone right now, a message ringtone.
I know damn well you hear that phone.
Okay, we could just...
Just what? What, you want to do another?
Yeah. But you say those two, right?
Yeah.
The first one that we ever did, and then you say, okay, that's fine. Ooh, bouncing out, girl, it's bouncing. Bounce, 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 bounce. Bounce, 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 bounce. Bounce, bounce, bounce. Shake that ass, hey, shake that ass, make it baby, shake that ass, make it baby, shake that ass, shake that ass, shake that ass, make it baby, shake that ass, make it baby, shake that ass, make it baby, It's like that, I don't like that. Hold on, let me get my house together. I need you to get me crunk, sister.
Get you crunk.
Yes, because right now I'm having a. Hey, oh, there you go, message. Message. There you go. I need a little excitement in my life, girl. Go ahead, girl. Go ahead. Run it. Message. Wait, pause. Stop it. Because what I supposed to say again?
Oh, you talking about what I just said?
Yeah.
I said, I know damn well you hear this phone ringing.
Okay. Message.
I'm so sick of this goddamn.
Message,
I know you hear this motherfucker.
I know you hear this goddamn phone going off over here. Girl, stop what you doing and come get your phone, girl. Message.
Get the goddamn phone. All right. Action.
Message. Message, ho. Girl, I know you hear this goddamn phone over here going off, girl. Get your ass up, girl. Come get this damn phone, girl. Message. Message, ho. Girl, stop what you doing right now and get this phone, girl. Message, ho. Girl, I'm so tired of hearing this phone keep saying message. Message, ho. Girl, you got a message. Girl, you got a goddamn message, girl. Get the phone. Message.
That one was good. I like that one.
Action. Message. Message, ho. Girl, I know you hear this goddamn phone over here going off, girl. Get your ass up, girl. Come get this damn phone, girl. Message. Message, ho. Girl, stop what you doing right now and get this phone, girl. Message, ho. Girl, I'm so tired of hearing this phone keep saying message. Message, ho. Girl, you got a message. Girl, you got a goddamn message, girl. Get the phone. Message.
That was good.
Okay, keep all those. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Girl, I did that. Okay, that's all I had to do today. Okay, we need to smoke these trees because I need to get my brain together.
You're welcome.
Yeah, just do something real quick. You want to talk some shit real quick? Message.
You said what?
I just say this because I feel like you got this mic in front of me, girl, and I just want to.
You just want to talk?
Yeah.
You want to talk? You want to talk?
You how much.
I'm so damn sick. Okay. So we got 3. Calm down.
Calm down.
Calm down.
Calm down. Got time for that. Hey, ain't nobody got. But she did my mug. Yeah. What's up? No, Jay. What's up, baby? Yeah. I need y'all hoes to
Oh, they from New Orleans.
Bitch, I don't know. Text me. I need you bitches that's in here right now. I need you bitches to run over to my YouTube channel and watch that video with me and Cash and Rico Ford from last night. That was a nasty keep with Tree last night, bitch. Old nasty session, bitch. Old verse.
Okay.
Hey, TT.
What's up, baby? How are you?
I love you so much.
I love you too, sweetie. Where you from? Where you at? Oh, you in the north, baby?
Yeah,
Bitch, I need to come down and give me some of that crawfish, girl. Old nasty crawfish platter, bitch. Yes. Girl, have me a man when I come to, have me a man, girl. Put me a man in your closet, girl, when I come to New Orleans, girl. So when I get there, girl, you just pull him out the closet, girl. Just keep him in the back. Well, girl, girl. I don't know. He can stay, girl. Girl. I don't know if he got voodoo on it, girl. I don't want the voodoo, girl. I don't want the voodoo.
Voodoo.
What part of New Orleans you in? What night? What ward you in?
I'm uptown in the 3rd ward.
Oh, you in the? Oh, by the Superdome. Oh, bitch. So you over there giving out Superdome by the Superdome, huh?
You killing me with this accent.
Oh, you over there by the Super? Oh, you over there by the Superdome, huh? Oh, when they get off the bridge, they come stop by you and stop. They come stop by Little Baby Superdome over there, huh?
Honey.
Yes, girl. We had to come over here, girl. Girl. Girl, who is this? Oh, y'all want to request today? Let me see. I'm going to request to y'all. Let me go ahead. When y'all get in here, girl, when y'all come in here, girl, y'all need to make sure y'all got y'all service up, girl. Because, girl, y'all service ain't together, girl.
Make sure y'all don't be silent. Y'all
Girl.
can talk.
Wait, girl. Stay waiting for her, girl. Wait, girl. We're going to see if it's going to connect with her, girl.
That's gonna be taking all day. So.
But it's stay connected. Girl, I can't hear you, girl. How you going to get in here, girl? I can't hear you. Girl, I cannot. Girl, end it and come back. Go out and come back in. I'm going to do it again. Go ahead. Girl, she like, girl, what's going on? Girl, I just told, girl, what happened, girl? Girl.
I told you you had that connection right.
Girl,